Here it is, the Hero Splendor Plus. We've upgraded the engine for better performance while keeping the iconic look you love.
Intro, Bike Empire. Welcome back to Bike Empire. Today we're taking a quick look at the Hero Splendor Plus, India's most trusted commuter motorcycle that continues to rule the roads with its simplicity, reliability, and unbeatable fuel efficiency. Timeless design. The Hero Splendor Plus carries a clean and familiar design that appeals to riders of all ages. Its classic headlamp, simple graphics, and comfortable upright stance make it a practical choice for everyday commuting without trying too hard to look flashy. Engine and performance. Powered by a 97.2 cubic centimeters air-cooled engine, the Splendor Plus delivers smooth and refined performance. It's tuned for city riding, offering easy acceleration, low vibrations, and stress-free handling in traffic. Mileage and efficiency. Mileage is the Splendor Plus' biggest strength. With excellent fuel efficiency, this bike is perfect for daily office rides, long city commutes, and anyone looking to keep running costs extremely low. Comfort and ride quality. A well-padded seat, soft suspension, and lightweight chassis ensure a comfortable ride even on rough roads. The upright riding posture reduces fatigue, making it ideal for long daily use. Features and safety. The bike comes with essential features like Hero's i3S start-stop technology, a reliable braking setup, and durable build quality that's proven over years of use. Verdict. The Hero Splendor Plus remains the ultimate no-nonsense commuter. If you want reliability, low maintenance, and outstanding mileage, this motorcycle continues to be one of the smartest choices on the road.